So welcome. Today in this video, we are going to talk about what marketing is. If you are a total beginner, you don't know what is marketing and what are some of the terms that usually a beginner doesn't know about it. So we are going to go deep into this, and you will understand what SEO is, what a paid marketing is, what organic marketing is. And if you are a total beginner, then watch till the end. You will understand from scratch to the end. So without any further delay, let's start. In this tutorial, we are supposing that you are selling a course as a service. We are creating a marketing plan around it so you can understand what actually marketing is. I want to clear that there is a difference between marketing and digital marketing. Marketing doesn't mean using Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel and some of the stuff. Let's say you are selling courses, and it can be divided into four different parts, that is marketing and telemarketing and how you can sell your courses. Another thing is digital marketing, and the fourth one is reference marketing. First we will see what marketing is. Marketing is the process of understanding what people want or need and showing them how your product or service can help them. I will give you a simplest example of it. So imagine you are selling lemonade, that is Nimbu Pani, and you find thirsty people, that is your audience. You tell them your lemonade is cold, refreshing, and affordable. That is your message. You show them where to buy it. Your call to action. Call to action means to where you are navigating your customers to buy those stuff. So that's marketing, connecting the right product with the right people at the right time. That is what marketing is called. So, and there are different topics that has to be covered under marketing. Critical thinking and problem solving, you have to understand this. What is that? You have to learn about learning, analyzing situations, identifying pain points of the customers, and craft solution according to that. Whenever you have a product, you have a service, you can't just go to the market and sell it. You have to ask yourself that whether the product is going to solve someone else's problem or not. If there is not an accurate answer of that question, then it doesn't mean you have a good product. So firstly, analyze it carefully, that whatever product or service you are selling, it's a worthy product, and people will definitely gonna buy. And if you are selling courses, as I said, your course can't even take a person from point A to point B in whatever niche you are selling. It means the product is totally waste. So that's not how your marketing works. If your product is not that good, you will not gonna succeed in that. There should be a critical thinking, problem solving, the how you see people's pain to solve their problems. And another thing is psychology and human behavior. Like you have to understand consumer behavior, why people buy, and how emotions drive decisions. And you have to study principles like scarcity, social proof, and you can also read a book by Robert Influence. So with using that book, you will understand this all principles very easily. So yeah, explore decision making biases like the paradox of choice and anchoring. There are lots of other terms that you can understand by reading, and there will be an article coming up about this all terms and what actually is. So for now, stick with the video. And the third is data interpretation. Marketing doesn't mean about just a guessing game. It's all about number game. How well you are how well you take decisions by seeing by analyzing numbers. Learn to make decisions based on numbers, not guesses. And focus on understanding metrics like ROI, CTR, CAC, customer acquisition cost. So these are terms we are going to cover, don't worry. So yeah, the next one is network and collaboration. Yeah, that has to be a part of a marketing, because surround yourself with marketers, entrepreneurs, creatives, engage in community, share insights, and learn from other experiences. And the fifth one is creativity and storytelling. Creativity is the heart of marketing. Work on thinking outside the box to stand out. Learn storytelling frameworks like Hero's Journey to make your content memorable. If you don't know, every brand, every product has some emotions that drives people to buy their product. So storytelling, creativity, it's also about psychology and human behavior. You can interrelate with it as well. Now, experimentation and iteration is also a very important part of marketing. Now, you can't just achieve everything in just first shot. You have to revise it, adjust it, so you can see your consumers behavior and make your product as per people, like your ideal clients. So focus on feedback loops, try, measure, adjust and repeat until you find what works. So, and the last one is communication skills. Develop the ability to clearly articulate ideas, whether in person or online. Practice persuasive writing, public speaking, and negotiation techniques. That's a part of sales, but also that has to be included in marketing, because it's a part how you are conveying ideal clients about with your communication skills, like writing persuasively to convert them. So because that's all about marketing is, you have something and you have to sell to your ideal clients. The message goes so good that they should think, I got the solution of my problem, and here it is. And there are 5 stages that I want to discuss of so now let's understand what digital marketing is. So in digital marketing, there is two types: organic marketing and paid marketing. Organic marketing means we are not paying any money for to put content on social media, and paid marketing is we are giving money to specific platforms like YouTube ads, like YouTube, LinkedIn, and Google, or even Facebook. These are some of the platforms where we pay money to sell our products or services, or we can also post content which is free. So we covered that too in this video. So there are two methods, that is organic and paid, and there are different types as well, like search engine marketing and social marketing. Social media marketing can vote like organic and paid, and even SEM as well. It can be organic and paid. A search engine means, like in search engine marketing, there is YouTube and Google. It is engine-based social media platforms. Like users search something to get some solution of his problem, and as per the search, they get the results. So that is called search engine platforms like Google and YouTube. Let's first cover Google here. In Google, we basically get solutions via blog or a website, and to rank your website on first page or even top 5 results, your search engine optimization, your SEO should be good to rank on first page or even on top 5. So to do that, you have to do two things, that is target right keywords. Let's say you're selling course organically, and you want to build trust through your website by sharing your knowledge of Python through your blogs. You did SEO around it, so, and you targeted right keywords so that someone who is searching for Python, they get the solution of that particular problem. So target right keywords and create a SEO optimized content. There are different types of keywords like informational, commercial, navigational, transactional, long tail, and short tail. To understand this, here's the keyword modifiers by search intent by Href. So info means whenever user searches for something informational, some informative things like how to do Python codes, what is Python, and what is digital marketing, what is SEO. These are some of the informational keywords that user searches. So this comes into informational keyword, and the other is navigational. Navigational means, let's say I want to log into my Instagram or Facebook, so I just search for Facebook login. That's navigational. And if I'm searching for a brand name or a product name, they are trying to get from point A to point B. So third one is commercial or investigation. That is best, top, review, attribute of a product, size, color, or comparison. These are some of the commercial keyword. So user intent is to get some info about that product, like comparison, which one is good, iPhone is good or Samsung is good. So it's a commercial. So, and transaction means wherever the money kind of stuff comes in or in the search, like buy, coupon, order, purchase, cheap, price, pricing. These are some, if these terms is there in the user's search, it means it's a transactional keyword. So I hope you understand these four terms. And the long tail mean, and there is two more, long tail and short tail. Short tail means there is not that much specificity in the keyword. Let's say I searched for lap care mouse. It's not that much specific. Let's say if I search for a specific model and the price of it, it would come under long tail keyword. So let's move ahead. And till now we have covered a lot, and we have discussed about what is marketing and what is digital marketing. And now the third one is difference marketing. Now you have a product, it performed well. Now how you can use your customers to sell more. Reference marketing means you are using your clients testimonials, case studies, referral programs, social proof on social media, and influencer partnerships, video testimonials or interviews, awards or certifications, success metrics or results, word of mouth recommendation. These are a reference marketing tactics that most of the marketers uses in their website, in their social media platforms, so that they can sell more to other customers. Now telemarketing is simple. You are outreaching to clients directly through phone calls, telling them about your product or service. There are a lot more things to consider while calling them, but I will not going to cover in this video. So telemarketing is just about calling your customers directly through phone calls. Now there are two more things I have to discuss, that is organic and paid. Organic means you understand, it's not that much hard. Like what I am doing, I am posting your content, and it's free. I don't have to pay anything to social media platforms. So we will cover what is paid, and we will also cover some different terms we use in Facebook ad campaigns, like data interpretation, like key metrics like ROI, CTRs, CAC, customer acquisition cost. So to understand that, let's jump here. Organic versus paid marketing. Marketing can be divided into two main types, organic and paid marketing. Organic marketing is free but takes time to build. It includes SEO, content marketing, and social media management. If you're just starting out, organic marketing is a great way to build a foundation without spending money. However, it requires patience and consistency. Paid marketing, on the other hand, provides immediate results. This includes Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and influencer sponsorships. The key is to use both organic and paid marketing together. Organic builds long-term credibility, while paid marketing drives quick traffic and sales. Now that we know decisions that should be based on numbers that we have discussed before, the next step is understanding which numbers matter. So we could understand as a marketer where we are heading in our marketing campaign or in our marketing journey. So not all data is useful. So some are just vanity metrics that look good but don't impact business growth. So here are the three crucial metrics every marketer should understand. That is ROI, return on investment. What it means, measures how much profit you make from your marketing efforts. Formula, it is very simple. Profit from marketing minus marketing cost upon marketing cost into 100. It will give us a percentage. Now why it matters: if you spend $1,000 on ad but only make 500 in sales, your ROI is negative, you are losing money. If you make 3,000 in sales, your ROI is positive, meaning your strategy is working. Let's take a real life example. You spend $500 on Instagram ads and generate $2,000 in sales from those ads. Your ROI is, you just applied this formula and you understood that every dollar spent, you made $3 back. It means it's a successful campaign. You're not losing money here. Second one is CTR, click-through rate. What it means, the percentage of people who click on your ad or link after seeing it. Formula, CTR is equals to clicks upon impressions into 100. Why it matters? A high CTR means your ad is compelling and people are interested in it. A low CTR suggests your ad isn't engaging enough. Real life example, if 10,000 people see your ad but only 200 clicks on it, your CTR is, use the formula and you will get 2%. If your CTR is 1% or less than it, it usually means your ad needs improvement. Maybe the image isn't eye-catching or the text isn't persuasive enough. So the third one is customer acquisition cost. How much money you are allocated, or how much money you are putting in your ad campaign to get customers, and what is the acquisition cost. So what it means, the cost of acquiring one new customer. So that is the formula: total marketing cost upon number of new customers. So why it matters? If your CAC is too high, your business may struggle to be profitable. The goal is to keep CAC lower than the revenue you earn from each customer. You will understand what it means. So let's say you are spending $1,000 on ads and get 50 customers. Your CAC is $1,000 upon how much customers you got after using that money. I mean, after putting that money into your campaign or on your ad. So $1,000 upon 50, it means $20 to acquire each customer. You can see here, if your average customer spends $100, then spending $20 to acquire them is profitable. It means you are 80% profitable here. $80. If they only spend $15, then you are losing money and your marketing strategy needs adjustment. So I hope you understand what CACs means. So the key takeaway is tracking ROI, CTAR, CAC ensures you are spending money wisely. If any of these metrics are weak, tweak your strategy, test different approaches, and optimize your campaign based on real numbers. So yeah, I hope you understood this. If you want a full content of this, whatever I have taught you right now, just go to my Instagram, follow me, and DM me marketing. I will give you this whole content and even this mind map. So I hope you like this video. My name is Anand Jha. Cheers.